What's up, guys? Today we're making some tuna salad nori wraps, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by making our tuna mixture. I like to use white Bakeware tuna because I just think it tastes better and it's less like soggy, but you can use whatever you want. And then we're going to add in our dry seasonings, our sriracha. We're going to put in our mayo. Make sure you use avocado oil mayo to keep it paleo. And then we're going to sprinkle some dill in. You can do as little or as much as you want and then mix it together. I also added some pickled jalapeno juice into this, but it's totally up to you. You can do pickled juice or you can do nothing at all. After we have all of that mixed, we're going to cut up our red onion, and then we're going to place a sheet of nori on our bamboo sheet, and we're going to line it with our tuna mixture. I like to wrap my sheet in saran wrap so that after I wrap like anything after I use it, I don't have to wash the bamboo sheet. I literally just take the saran wrap off and then it's perfectly clean. So after you put as much as you want of your tuna mixture, we're going to add avocado, some red onion, and then we're going to wet down the side that doesn't have anything on it. And make sure you get this really wet because we want it to like stick. And then you're going to hold your food down, wrap it around, and you're going to push your bamboo sheet back, like kind of squeeze it, because that's going to lock in all of your food and then keep it tight so that when you finish rolling it, it's not going to like release any of your mixture. And then we're going to re-wet down the other side and then just roll it over, and that's it. This is really quick and easy lunch if you're wanting something protein packed but simple. And then make sure you wipe it, like water down your knife before you cut, and then that's it. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit.